Good afternoon, welcome to another video in our series. In this video we will be looking at sets. As you are aware that CXC has separated it into three modules, module 1, 2 and 3. So set has been reintroduced to module 1. Okay, so we're going to be looking at, so for a number of videos we will be looking at some set questions and how you approach it, and so that you can be prepared for that exam when we do get there in June. All right, so the question reads, in the diagram shown above, the universal set U represents the students in the class. The set M represents the students who take music. The set D represents the students who take drama. If 24 students take music, calculate 1, the number of students who take both music and drama, and the number of students who take drama only. So just to remind ourselves of some of the things about sets is that this area here represents those who are both in drama and music. So right here represents M intersect D. Over on this side here represent those that are in music only. And these sets, those that are here, represent those that are in D only. Okay, so given that information, we are now going to use it to solve the question. So it says that if 24 students take music, that means all of this set here represents music. So the number in M is equal to 24. That means those that are here and those that are in the intersection adds up to give the number of students who take music. Okay, so we have 3x plus x is equal to 24. Now, so algebraically we know that we can always add like terms, and so if we have 3x plus 1 more x, we're going to get 4x's, not true? Or 4x. So 4x is equal to 24. This is saying that 4 times what number is equal to 24. To get the answer, we know that we are going to divide both sides by 4, because remember, whatever we do on one side, we have to do it on the other side. So on the left hand side, 4 will cancel 4, so we are left with x here, and 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Okay, so 4 into 4 1, 4 into 24 goes 6 times. 6 4s 24. Okay, so that tells you that the number of students who take both music and drama is going to be equal to 6. So x is equal to 6, because x here represent those who take music and drama. Okay, now having solved that, we're now going to move to the other question that says the number of students who take drama only. So remember now, students, that drama only is on this side of the Venn diagram, right? So drama only is equal to 7 plus x. Okay, now in the first question we worked out x to be equal to 6, so we know that x is equal to 6. So now if we substitute x equals 6 into 7 plus x, we know that 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So what that tells you is that 13 students do drama only. Okay, and we could even take this a bit further, because we know that now that we know that x is equal to 6, we know that the total students in the class, the total number of students in the class would be equal to 3x plus x plus 7 plus x. And therefore, we know that if x is equal to 6, we know that 3 times 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 will give you the total number of students in the class. So 6 threes would give you 18 plus 6 and 8, 7 give you what? 13 plus 6. So that's 24 plus 13. That would give you 37 students in total. That would be in the class. And that's how we would approach questions like this. So therefore, and that is why it's also important that we understand algebra so that we can always apply it. Alright, so students, at times you will get stuck, but remember, getting stuck is not a problem, right? What is important is to get unstuck, okay? So have a great and wonderful day, alright?